about the Cool Moms Kitchen ideas. So today we are going to be doing a really easy, when I say easy, really easy recipe. And hopefully you like it, you enjoy it. If you're not a baker, this will be your recipe. So hopefully you like it, subscribe, and I will see y'all soon in the kitchen. Hello, so today we are going to be making a peach cobbler, Georgia peach cobbler, which is really easy. You don't have to do it the traditional way with the with the dough. So sorry, I went brain fart there. So what I did here, I actually put in 1 cup of flour, 1 cup of sugar, and then a little bit of baking powder, and then a little bit of salt. So I have the ingredients listed down below. I'm just taking a whisking it around, and then I'm actually going to take 1 cup of milk and put it in there. So I'm going to do this really quickly. I feel really weird not making some kind of cooking video this week. So just 1 cup of milk, and then I'm going to pour it right in. And while I'm making this, I had my my oven was actually heating up for 350. I'm just going to mix this all up like this. And then after I get this all mixed up, I am going to be using canned peaches. So what I did, I poured out the juice. I got a strainer, and as you can see, the juice is right here on the bottom. And I'm just straining my peaches. So got a little bit more juice in there. I think I just have like a little clog on one of my little areas. And while I'm waiting on that, I also have some butter that's melting, which is pretty good melted. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually take this butter that's melted, pour it in my baking dish. You always wanna do that first. Just pour in your melted butter like that. And then, now that I have some of this juice drained out really good, I'm gonna put my dish here. I'm gonna pour the rest of this peach juice inside my nice little fun batter mix I made there. There we go. Mix this up really good. And this is the peach juice. Like that. And after I mix it up, I'm actually going to pour it in right here. Mind you, I'm doing this with one hand. I'm just going to pour it in. So when I finish pouring this in, I'll actually be right back because I'm going to put the peaches in. So give me just a moment. Alright, so now that I'm back, that's poured in there. You can see all the butter. I just kind of come up to the top. Looks really yummy. So it's supposed to look like that. And so now I'm going to take my peaches that I was straining, which I don't have too many left because I used some of them for another one the other day. So I'm just going to finish this out. Put all the peaches on there. And then I'm going to cook this in the oven for a whole hour on 350. Spread out as I'm using my hand. Just a few more scraps left here. There we go. Alright, perfect. So that's really it. So now I'm going to put it in the oven, let it set and let it cook for 60 minutes like I said. And I'll be back and I'll show you what it looks like. Alright, so I just took this peach cobbler out of the oven. Sorry, just got a little distracted. It was still bubbling. And as you can see, it is done. You want it to be golden brown like that. There you go. Yum. And I'm going to let mine cool off for probably about 30 minutes. It's really good to go topping with some Cool Whip or some Bluebell ice cream if you live in Texas, or just some vanilla ice cream in general. So thank you again for watching. I hope you subscribe and have an awesome day.